In this important episode, I collected for you 5 native spoken Egyptian expressions that you can use right now. So, let's dive in. The first one is على كيفك, and we say على كيفك to a male and على كيفك to a female. على كيفك male, على كيفك to a female. And على كيفك or على كيفك, it means it's up to you. It's up to you. When I say, for example, no, I don't want to drink coffee today. أنا مش عايز أشرب قهوة النهاردة. Then you will tell me or you will say على كيفك. It's up to you. على كيفك. Or if the speaker is a female, the response will be على كيفك. It's up to you. على كيفك or على كيفك. And this is a very native expression. Another important one, ماشي. ماشي, it means I am going or I am walking. But also it means okay. ماشي. Okay, so it has two meanings. I am walking. Also it could be I am leaving if you are preparing to leave, أنا ماشي or أنا ماشية. But when you say ماشي, just ماشي and without the feminine alternative, only ماشي, it also means okay, agree. Do you want to go to the cinema today? ماشي, I agree. ولا يهمك to a male, ولا يهمك to a female. It means never mind, don't bother. Okay, never mind. ولا يهمك, ولا يهمك to a female. When you, for example, have a problem and you have a small story about what happened to you, then your friend will say ولا يهمك or ولا يهمك. It's not a problem. Don't worry, okay? Don't care, don't bother. ولا يهمك, never mind. So ولا يهمك is a very important expression to learn today, and this is for male and ولا يهمك is for female. Another important one is مش ناقص. مش ناقص or مش ناقصة if a female is speaking. Okay, a male مش ناقص, a female مش ناقصة. And it means I have had enough. I have had enough on my plate. I cannot take any more. Okay, مش ناقص, مش ناقصة. And usually people say this when they are angry or they have a difficult situation. Okay, مش ناقص, مش ناقصة. Okay, so if imagine you are telling your friend, for example, a story and she is already angry and she cannot think about anything else other than the situation or the difficult situation that she is suffering from, and then she tells you or he tells you مش ناقص, مش ناقصة, I cannot think of anything else. Okay, so مش ناقص, مش ناقصة. This is also a very important one. Save it. The last one here is ما تأفورش, ما تأفوريش. Don't exaggerate. Okay, so when you say, for example, I am very sad and I have had a big day and and then your friend is really, the situation is not that difficult or the day was not that difficult, so he or she will tell you ما تأفورش, ما تأفوريش. Okay, ما تأفورش to a male, ما تأفوريش to a female. It means don't make a big deal about it. Okay, don't exaggerate it. It's not that big a deal. Okay, so ما تأفورش, ما تأفورش, ما تأفوريش. So now we learned some important native expressions. Try it with your friends, partners, loved ones, and tell me the reaction. These expressions على كيفك, مش ناقص, ولا يهمك, ما تأفورش, and also ماشي. These important expressions are very common and they are very native. So you hear them all the time from Egyptians. So tell me the reaction when you tell your loved one, your friend, or your family member about any of these. Don't forget also to like and subscribe to Linguamid. Don't forget to enroll in my Egyptian Arabic 101 free course. It's a perfect free course to give you the foundation you need about spoken Egyptian. You will find the link in the first comment and also in the description box. Thanks a lot and see you in another episode.